Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Konasima Shorthand classes. This is speed of 80 words per minute and pertaining to Andhra Pradesh. And this speed was given in the examinations conducted in the month of February 2020. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Addressing the people gathered for evening prayer at Sabarmati Bank, Mahatma Gandhi delivered a memorable speech on the eve of his historic march. Friends, in all probability, this will be my last speech to you. Even if the government allow me to march tomorrow morning, this will be my last speech on the sacred banks of the Sabarmati. Today, I shall confine myself to what you should do after my companions and I are arrested. The program of the march to Jalalpur must be fulfilled as it was originally settled. The enlistment of the volunteers for this purpose should be confined to Gujarat only. From what I have been heard during the last fortnight, I am inclined to believe that the stream of civil resistors will flow unbroken. But let there be not a semblance of breach of peace, even after all of us have been arrested. We have resolved to utilize all our resources in the pursuit of an exclusively non-violent struggle. Let no one commit a wrong in anger. I wish these words of mine reached every nook and corner of the land. My task shall be done if I perish, and so do my comrades. It will then be for the working committee of the Congress to show you the way, and it will be up to you to follow its lead. So long as I have reached Jalalpur, let nothing be done in contravention to the authority vested in me by the Congress. But once I am arrested, the whole responsibility shifts to the Congress. No one who believes in non-violence, therefore, sit still. My compact with the Congress ends as soon as I am arrested. Volunteers, wherever possible. Civil disobedience of salt should be started. It is an offense to manufacture salt wherever there are facilities for doing so. The possession and sale of contraband salt, which includes natural salt or salt earth, is also an offense. The purchasers of such salt will be equally guilty. To carry away the natural salt deposits on the seashore is likewise violation of law. So is the hawking of such salt. In short, you may choose anyone or all of these devices to break the salt monopoly. We are, however, not to be content with this alone. There is no ban by the Congress, and wherever the local workers have self confidence, other suitable measures may be adopted. Dear sir, with reference to your article published in yesterday's Daily, I wish to appreciate your ideas and responsibility shown towards society. In your article, you explained in detail the harm that is being done to the nature with the excessive use of plastic covers and other disposable items. As people find them comfortable, convenient, economical, and handy, they are unable to give them up. In my opinion, instead of simply educating the people not to use such items, government should take concrete steps to ban the production itself. There should be vigorous vigilance on the production as well as consumption of those items. On the other hand, cheap and eco friendly substitutes may be discovered so that people can divert themselves from the habit of using such plastic disposables. I appeal to you to start a movement to this effect, and I assure you that common people like me shall support and join with you. With regards, yours faithfully. That's all.